Hello everyone, welcome back to Tiny Steps to English. I hope you are enjoying your English learning journey with us. In today's lesson, we are going to focus on how to make polite requests in English. Politeness is key in any language, and knowing how to ask for things nicely will help you in every situation, from asking for help to making simple requests. Ready to add some politeness to your English? Let's get started. In English, we use specific phrases to sound polite when asking for something. These are especially important when speaking to people we don't know well or in formal situations. Let's start with some basic ways to make polite requests. Here are some simple and polite ways to ask for something. 1. Could you please? This is a very polite way to ask someone to do something. For example, could you please open the window? 2. Would you mind? This phrase is also polite but adds a bit more formality. For example, would you mind passing me the salt? 3. May I? This is used when you are asking for permission. For example, may I borrow your pen for a moment? Try using these phrases in your everyday conversations to sound polite and respectful. Let's practice together. Imagine you are at a cafe and you want to order a drink. Here is an example how you can make a polite request. Excuse me, could I please have a coffee with milk? Waiter. Sure, anything else? No, thank you, that's all for now. Write your own polite request examples in the comments below. Let's see how creative you can get. Polite language is important in English because it shows respect and helps you communicate more effectively. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. Keep using these polite request phrases and you will soon notice a big improvement in your English. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, share it with friends and subscribe to Tiny Steps to English for more lessons like this. And let us know in the comments which polite phrase is your favorite.